Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add underline in your Canva. First step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a homepage of Canva website, and here on the top right corner you can see this Create a Design button. Click on this and choose your required template. After that, you can see different options on the left side. Click on the text and click on Add a Heading. Now type in the text. Now select this text, and on the top navigation bar you can see this option which says Underline. Click on it, and here you can see that it will create an underline under your text in your Canva project. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.